What a day. Good day for a review. Man, I'm glad. Look at all this stuff that came in. Alright. This I've been waiting for. Look at that. Do not bend. Well, looks like I'm going to have to bend it there, Bubby. As long as everything else is straight, I can deal with lining those up. As long as she's straight, and it looks pretty straight to me. This isn't straight, but...
Hercules, Hercules!
That had to have been done before it was even put in this bag, right? Maybe not. Good job. Something really whacked that thing. Boy, oh boy. Oh, that baby's gonna be hanging off like that. Oh, perfect. Yeah, metal spacers. That was nice. Well, I guess the hardware that comes with it's okay. Holy fuck me. This is for the top. Yeah, I guess. The light snugness. See if everything looks semi-straight. Sorry I can't give you daylight today. So now, since this is magnetic, wow, it actually wraps underneath like it did before with the magnets holding. Wow, now that's a win-win. Not bad. Now I can put a bigger bag if I want. I have to touch this up, file it. Can't get nothing good anymore. Looks like you can mount the tool bag back on these holes here too. Oh, mess around with that after. Not perfect, but not bad. So overall, I think I like it. The rack is built very well. I wish they'd use stainless steel hardware. It's got a nice big surface area, so I could put my metal detector on the back. I could put a bigger bag on the back. I could put a milk crate on the back. Ah, be redneck. As long as the paint is adhered well and it doesn't rust, looks like it's going to work out alright. Nice thing is it comes in various colors. I give it 4 out of 5 cheesy stars.